Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to add products to pages on Shopify. And to do so, it's very easy. What you want to do is go to your products and here you will find all your products. Let's just say it's this one, this test product. Here you will find this collections page, which is the main thing of this tutorial. We will add a new collection and add the collection to a new page. So let's get straight into it. First, you will have to go to collections, which is right under products here. So click on it once and here click on add collection. Let's just name the collection tutorial 1 and here you can fill in the description and the image. So for this tutorial I won't do it, but it's best to do it in a real case of adding a product here. So let's just click on save here and then go to the products section here and take this product for example. And here in this collections, let's just add it to tutorial 1 and remove it from homepage. So it's very important that you remove it from homepage and add it to the new collection. Why? Because we don't want the product to be shown on the homepage, we want it to be shown elsewhere. So in this collection tutorial 1 for example, and then click on save. After that, if I go to here online store and pages, I can add a new page. So let's add one here and then let's name it tutorial page 1 for example. Add the content and everything that you want, and in the visibility just click on visible and you click on save. After that, once your page is visible and saved, you can go to this panel right here and type main menu. So here this button will appear, so click on it once and click on main menu. After that, here you will find the menu items, which are these items right here. So let's just add a menu item. You can name it if you want, but the most important thing is to go to link here. So sorry, I will remove this one. Link and then pages and add your new page. So tutorial page number 1 and then just save it. After that, you can go to the online store button here and then go to themes and customize. Here you can customize your shop. So let's just go to the tutorial page 1 section here. So it's in the header. So go to tutorial page 1 or the page that you just created, and here you will find that it's empty. And to solve this problem, let's go to this template section here and then go to add section. And here go to featured collection, click on it once, and then in this collection thing right here, just click on select and tutorial 1 that we just created and edit our item, and that's it basically. Now just click on save and you will be done. You will have on your store. So if I go to my store here, it will land us on the home page, and if I go to tutorial page number 1 here, it will appear in the featured collection. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.